In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic table of contents in Google Docs. Whether you're working on an extensive report, a research paper, or a digital book, having a table of contents makes navigating through sections a breeze. It not only enhances the readability of your document, but also lends a professional touch to your project. So let's get started on setting this up. First, you'll want to open your Google Docs document. If you haven't already done so, navigate to the specific file where you wish to add the table of contents. It's always a good idea to have a document with distinct sections already in place, but if not, no worries. You can always add these headings on the go. Now, we need to prepare the text that you want included in your table of contents. Start by highlighting the headings within your document. These can be your main sections, subsections, or even more detailed subsections. Once you've highlighted your text, take a look at the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll notice a drop-down menu typically labeled as Normal Text. Click on this to reveal your style options. For each segment of your text that you want in the table of contents, you'll need to assign a heading style. Choose Heading 1 for your main sections. Think of this as the anchor points of your document, the main chapters, if you will. For anything that falls beneath those main categories, select Heading 2 for subsections. If you have further subdivisions under your subsections, go ahead and use Heading 3 for those. This hierarchy ensures that everything is neatly categorized and is incredibly useful for long documents where organized navigation is key. Once your headings are styled and your document is structured just the way you want it, it's time to insert the table of contents itself. Place your cursor in the location where you'd like the table of contents to appear. Most people prefer this at the very beginning, but your choice could vary depending on your document layout. Navigate to the Insert menu on the toolbar. From there, scroll down and select Table of Contents. You'll be given two stylistic options for your table of contents. You can choose to go with links, which appear as blue clickable text. This option is particularly useful in digital documents where you might want to offer your readers quick navigation with a simple click. Alternatively, you can opt for the plain text version, which includes only numbers. This style is often utilized in printed documents where hyperlinks are unnecessary. An added bonus of using Google Docs is that if you make any changes to your headings or page numbers later on, you don't need to worry about manually updating your table of contents. Simply click the refresh icon next to your table of contents and it will update automatically, saving you time and ensuring that your document remains accurate and up to date. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can create a polished and functional table of contents tailored specifically to your document's needs.